Today I'm going to talk about how to replace the battery in your Subaru remote starter. Cue logo. You'll know you have to change the battery in your remote starter when you give it a double click and it'll give you the beep beep. Make sure your eyeglass screwdriver set comes with a Phillips head. Then you need a flathead screwdriver to separate the two halves. To change the battery on this, you need to unscrew with the eyeglass screwdriver the tiny screw they stuck in right over here. When I first tried to open this up, I didn't see the screw. I had to pull out my magnifying glass to spot it. And once you do that, be careful not to start your car while you're doing this. i.e., don't push the button twice. You unscrew the screw, and there we go. I have a small screw. Then you slowly pry it open. Then you need a flathead screwdriver to separate the two halves. They give you a notch, and just run it across the seam here. Follow around on the antenna, separating it. It should come smoothly apart once you get this in far enough and wiggle it. So you want to stick your screwdriver in and wiggle it left and right so it pivots. Keep pushing it in the slot and then wiggling it to get these sides to separate. And there you go, the top comes off, the bracket comes off, holds it on your keychain, the rubber part with the button and the transmitter module and the coily antenna. What you're left with is a CR2032 button battery, commonly used to keep the real-time clock on most computers running when the computer is off. Let's get my battery out. Hold on a minute. Okay. There you go. To get your battery out, you just put your screwdriver in over here on the edge and you pop a little. Don't push too hard. Now your battery will come. Get your new battery. I have a link down below where you can get a 16 pack of these real cheap. Okay, you have your new battery. It says in here plus, so plus goes down, and plus is the smooth side. And there you go. Then place the rubber button with the transmitter antenna back inside. Put the key ring piece back in. Don't forget that. I've done it a number of times, and each time I have forgotten to put the keychain thing back in. Okay, and something to know about the keychain piece. One side of it has two prongs. I'm going to hold this up so you can see that. One side has two prongs. sticking out, and the top of the case has 2 holes on either side. So make sure your 2 prongs are face up. There you go. It'll sit down, and then make sure the top has the 2 holes, and it'll sit right into it. And it should go straight on down and close. Almost forgot. Time to put the screw back in. You wouldn't want this suddenly popping out from your key ring. There you have it. You've just replaced the battery in your remote starter. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel.